This stuffed animal hammock corner storage with LED light is a thoughtfully designed product that combines functionality, aesthetics, and child-friendly features to create an excellent storage solution for stuffed animals and soft toys. We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive overview of what users like and dislike about this product. If you have this item, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The hammock measures 43 by 43 by 56 inches, making it large enough to hold a substantial collection of stuffed animals. This generous size is a major advantage for parents and caregivers who want to save floor space and keep children's rooms tidy. The product is handmade from premium cotton, which gives it a soft, eco-friendly, and durable quality. The cotton material is smooth to the touch and sturdy enough to hold many plush toys without sagging or tearing, which users have noted as a sign of good craftsmanship and quality materials. One of the standout features of this hammock is the integrated LED light. This addition not only serves as a decorative element, but also provides a warm, comforting glow that can act as a nightlight in a child's bedroom or nursery. Many users appreciate this feature because it adds a magical ambiance and reassures children at night. The light is subtle and elegant, enhancing the overall look of the room while being functional. Installation is straightforward and user-friendly. The package includes wall-mounting anchors and hooks which increase the hammock's sturdiness and ensure that it can hold all the plushies securely. Several reviewers mentioned that no special tools are needed for assembly, and the hammock can be hung within 10 minutes by following the included installation guide. This ease of setup is a significant benefit for busy parents or anyone who wants a quick and hassle-free solution. The design is creative and fun, turning toy storage into a whimsical display. Instead of cluttering beds or floors, the hammock allows kids to see and enjoy their stuffed animals arranged in a cozy corner. This approach encourages organization while adding a playful decorative touch to the room. The hammock fits well in various settings, including bedrooms, playrooms, and nurseries, making it a versatile option. Users have praised the product's durability and sturdiness. The hooks and loops are well made and reliable, and the fabric does not feel cheap or flimsy. The hammock holds a large number of stuffed animals. Some users reported fitting around 20 or more toys of different sizes comfortably. The product is available in different colors, with beige and off-white being popular choices that blend well with many room decors. The lightweight nature of the hammock makes it easy to handle and move if needed, but it remains strong enough to keep toys safely stored. Some customers noted that while the included hardware is sufficient, they chose to use their own hooks for added security. The product's ability to last over time and maintain its appearance and function is another frequently mentioned positive aspect. In terms of aesthetics, the knit look and soft texture of the cotton add a warm, cozy vibe to the room. The hammock is not just a storage solution, but also a decorative piece that complements children's room themes, especially those with a focus on cute and soft elements. The LED lights enhance this effect, making the hammock a charming focal point. On the downside, a few users wished for an even larger size to accommodate more stuffed animals, especially for families with extensive collections. However, the current large size is sufficient for most needs. The color options are somewhat limited, but the neutral tones available tend to suit a wide range of interiors. Overall, this stuffed animal hammock corner storage with LED light from Relaxine is a highly recommended product for anyone looking to organize kids' stuffed animals in a stylish and practical way. It offers excellent value for money, combining durability, ease of use, and an attractive design. The added LED light feature sets it apart from many other storage options, providing both function and ambience. If you are interested in this product, the link is in the description below. Supporting the channel by using that link helps us bring you more detailed reviews like this. We encourage anyone who owns this hammock to share their experience in the comments to assist others in making the best choice for their home. In conclusion, this hammock is a must-have for parents and caregivers who want to keep children's rooms neat without sacrificing charm and creativity. It effectively stores a large number of stuffed animals, is easy to install, and adds a lovely decorative touch with its LED lights and soft cotton fabric. Its quality and thoughtful design make it a standout product in the category of nursery hanging organizers and kids' room decor.